When your production line goes down, wouldn't it be nice if you could go back in time to see exactly what happened so you can diagnose the problem and keep production moving? Well, now you can with SmartSight's digital twin-driven smart manufacturing. A digital twin represents a physical system recreated in software that allows you to monitor processes, detect downtime, and predict performance easily. This Industry 4.0 technology is the next step to achieving the smart factory of the future. Production managers, supervisors, and maintenance staff can gain visibility into the interrelationships of problems. Our digital twin accelerator is fast, lightweight, and integrates easily with your existing MES. Our logic engine can scale to handle large volumes of data and generate data output on an event-driven basis. We currently process over 7 million utilization events per day. With low-code data collection, it will collect and generate data outputs and historize events to provide you with seamless data to accelerate your operations. Using Able, our lightweight agnostic data collection accelerator, your production lines are actively monitored, providing real-time root cause analysis. You'll get a live visual representation of your production lines with an accurate picture of relative machine contribution. When a machine is at fault, it turns red. The machines down the line turn yellow, indicating they're starved. The machines up the line display orange, indicating they're blocked. And these arrows link the machines together so that when a machine faults and blocks the next machine, it transports the root cause through the line flow, ultimately letting you know the state of the line and the root cause, so you can resolve the issue quickly and keep production moving. Using Able's digital twin functionality, you can view past events spread across a timeline for any date. You can accurately monitor your line's performance over time and diagnose problems quickly. Simply pause and select an item to see more details. And you can easily share this view with your coworkers or manager by copying or emailing a link with just a couple of clicks. Able can be a critical component to data validation. Availability, MTBF, and MTTR are calculated using only the run and fail states. Blocked, starved, and bypass are excluded. The overall line root cause algorithm is progressive, meaning it follows the backup starvation flow to determine which machine and fault is responsible for the line downtime. As you can see with our digital twin solution, you'll get a cost-effective data acceleration app that is off the shelf, agnostic, and provides relevant information from the plant floor to the executive level. Contact us today for a one-on-one personalized demonstration.